Hey, what is going on YouTube? I'm back. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. I think I just got my new 2x2 Rubik's Cube, but yep, let's get started into this video. Just sit down on the camera right here. Sorry, my room's a little messy. So, here it is, right here. Right here it is. So I'm going to open it. Oh, here it is, guys. So, I'm not sure which one this is. The Kiwi Mega? Something like that. But, yeah. And there's directions in this bag somewhere. Like how to solve it and stuff. I'm actually really not that good at solving these, but this is basically what it looks like, and it looks pretty fast. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be like playing with this for a little bit. But like I said a couple weeks ago or something like that, I might not be making videos on this channel, but I think I might be coming back to this channel, maybe not, but yeah, I think this is going to be the end of this video. So, see you guys in the next video.